Okay, everybody, let's start the second part. I just charged my laptop and let me clean here and again run the server. Okay, everything is fine, and I guess can you make a .http file to test to be able to test the APIs manually? Okay, let's have a coffee until it does the job. Okay, it made it. And okay, let's check it manually ourselves. Close this one. Perfect, it's working. Send the other request. Expense not found, obviously, because we didn't send a request. This is the ID 6. So if we want to do, we have to do ID 6 because, okay, everything is fine. ID 6, send request, everything is fine. And delete the ID 6, send the request, and no content. Why there is no content? And check the health, obviously is okay. Okay. Now we need to connect to database or tell the AI to check it for us. It would be better, I guess. Let me close others. Okay, open it and just let me run this in another terminal separately. I will bring another terminal. Okay, and go to the vibe coding and npm run dev here. Because I want to make here clean, I will bring it in another monitor, not disturb us, and close this one. I guess now you can see a little bit better what's going on, and I can see here the terminal. How does it working? Let us close these, make everything clean. Okay, it even made a test coverage XML file. It's interesting. I didn't see it before. Middleware did not make any middleware. Okay, for everything made a test. Data source also. Index also. And okay, bring the roads. Everything is there. And now let's check what can we use. Let me delete this old connection and create new one. Localhost. And the user, what we have, a vibe user. And the password, vibe password. And the port is 5432, which is a default port, standard connection. And okay, what is the problem? Let me check. Okay, the password possibly is wrong. Let's go back, go back, go back. The password. Okay, now it's okay. And the name is VibeDB, localhost. And it comes. Now we can see what we have. Let us select to see what we have in the database. Nothing for now. And now I will close this. I will put it here. not this one, the test, and let's see how does it work. First post, and now again check it out. Okay, it comes here. Okay, I see what is the problem, obviously, because it bring a new ID here, and that ID could not be found, and because of that I will go here, I will remove the DB, go here and go to Docker Compose, run a new service. Everything is fine. Check if it is run in the Docker. It is running. Close it. And now what I do, I will run again the application. And now if we go here and select again, okay, I forget to remove the volume. Let me again do it one more time. We will remove the volume. Okay. And now create a new Docker. Okay, everything is fine. And now check the Postgres again. Okay, because the relational is not run, because we have to run it again. And now it should be there. Yes. And now we are sending the request. First request is done. Close it. And now check the... Okay. Everything is fine. Let us close these. Okay, now we have the ID integer of 1, which I don't like. Maybe using UUID would be definitely better. And now we go and try the other ones. Get all. We have it. And get number 6 obviously will not work. Number 1, okay, it's there. We make a put request. It is working, everything is fine. And now send the request to 1. If this works, okay, we have a problem. Now the delete endpoint is not working. Yes, go on, test it until it works. Also, instead of no, I will do it later. I want to change to the UUID, but I will do it later because don't want to mix everything now together. Okay. Let me see, what is it doing? Bring it here. It changed. I see what is the problem. We have to cast the ID to number because it is a string. Okay. Move it to background. Okay. Let me check myself. Okay. Let's see. We have nothing. It's good. That's a good sign. And what we can do, we send a request. Okay. We have ID 2. Let me check with 2. Okay. Working, send request, working. And moment of truth. Let me see. No content. Okay. Let me check the DB again. The number 2 is deleted, but it is giving this. I see in DB the number 2, I mean created expense deleted, but we got this in response. Maybe it is okay because 204 is no content, I guess. Yeah, I was forget the number. The response actually correct delete operation. It got surprised that I didn't see that. Okay, but everything is fine now, I guess. So just to be sure, run all just tests one time for me. Okay, it's working, it's working. Okay, very nice. Very nice. 100% right, and everything is fine, I guess. So you did not add any authentication for me. Let us add JWT token system with refresh token and etc. using best practices. Because as you see, this middleware is still empty. And okay, it's doing the simple normal bcrypt and everything. It is not suggesting me to use anything like a key clock or something like that, which seems a little bit not very good, but let us implement this approach for now to see if it is okay or not. Okay. Because it is installing some new packages here, I will close the terminal and open it again here, just to have a fresh one. See? I bring it here just for you to see what's going on. Nothing special. I just closed it, clean it, and run it again. That's it. Okay. It's bringing the auth routes. This is the auth. which as normal logout, refresh, login, and register. Very clean. It's good. It is good. The routing is nice. The controller, let's bring the auth controller. Okay. Okay. Now we have some TypeScript errors. And let us see if it is. That one is a little bit maybe tricky. Yes. Fix all type errors for me. Do not use any. Because we are using TypeScript, if we use any, then what's the point of view of using a TypeScript? We could use JavaScript, yeah? That's why I am telling it to use them like that. Okay. Actually, it's not bad. Actually, it's not bad. Okay. Right. Yeah. Nice. Right. Test. Some tests to cover 100% test coverage for us. Okay. It's working. Let us make a commit. You can find everything. I pushed everything in my GitHub repo. I put the GitHub link also in chat. You can see it. We are going to use Golang, Rust, Spring Boot, even C#, and every simple technologies. We will use them and see how it is working. And maybe I will use also some other tools like we have Junie in IntelliJ IDEA JetBrains ecosystem, which works really fine with Spring Boot. And we have also the the VS Code agent. That one also we can use, and we can use also ChatGPT parallel with our IDE. I will try all of them in this series. Okay, let us do it. And let us run the tests. And see if it is working or not. And let me check if it add anything here. No. Okay, let us see. How does it work? Interesting. 3 test suites, 19 tests passed. Very, very nice for Node.js. It works pretty well. Add some more. Edit that HTTP current file and add these new functionalities inside that. Okay, I want to have it here because I want to manually also test it myself to be sure that everything is fine. It understood that I need this same file. Sometimes it make another file, but this time it can understand that. Okay, perfect. Let us see. Okay, register user. Let me create it. Perfect. And login with user. Access token. Refresh token. Very, very nice. Refresh token. Okay, because not... Okay, because the refresh token, I have to paste it here. Obviously, we can make it automatic, but for now, let us copy paste it here. Okay, send a request. Okay, nice, it's working. And logout, also working. And send a request. It's working. Aha, this is not working because we didn't put any access token here. Let me see. Okay, that's bad. Let us tell it to fix it. I see without paste the token, I can access endpoints. Okay, let me see what it is telling. Bring it here. Let's check them again. It's not, we have no middleware at the moment, obviously. Yes. Why did you not complete it? That's bad. It sometimes asks for things that it's obvious. Obviously, when I want to have a login, logout, user registration, and everything, I want to protect my endpoints. That's very obvious. Now it's bringing some access token secrets. Possibly I have to have access token secret here. Actually, we don't need it because if it cannot bring it, it will bring something here, and it should work. Let me close this one, clean it, and run it again. Everything is fine. Bring it here. Okay, and let us run there. Tests again. Close this. Send request. Okay. Already exists. Okay. It's working. Refresh token. Let us check the access token first. That is the one. Aha. Now it is fine. Let me see. Okay. It is working. It is working. I put something here. Okay. I guess I put W, yeah. Okay, perfect. It's working. It's checking the token and everything. And let's see this one. Okay. We don't have 204 because there is no 1. Okay, the token is expired. We have 8. Let us delete the number 8. Okay, 204. That's fine. Everything is good. Perfect. We have something somehow completed service for expense checking with test and everything. Let me ask it, how can I run test coverage system that you implemented? Okay. Okay, it make a summary of code coverage. Perfect. Add and run. Fix them all. You know, the tests are failing because what we did before, it was without any security barriers and everything, and now we put the security barriers, and obviously they would be all failed, and we need to adjust the test. That's one of the things that is not difficult in the. It's not easy in the test ecosystem, and you have to always go back and fix some tests, and it takes a lot of time and energy. And now it made it in just 1-2 minutes. It did it, and 19 tests passed. And now let's see. Okay. Let me see. Okay, we have a very nice test coverage. The middleware and the controllers has not enough coverage. Okay, I can see the middleware and controllers has not enough test coverage percent. Add some more. I am not going to make the application very complicated for now because that is the first episode that I am making, and maybe I learn also with you guys and girls. And yeah. And maybe in next episodes we will use another technologies like Go with different frameworks, or Spring Boot, or Quarkus maybe, and some other technologies to see how does it work on the edge cases. But for Node.js, Express app, and simple service, I can say it was pretty nice. It was not bad. Okay, we have now 23. One of them failed because we need a mock. Yes, go on until all passed. Okay, let's see. As you see, the test coverage is getting better, but still we need in controllers some more coverage. I like this. It's really nice. Okay, we have failed tests. Yeah. Okay, it is telling that there is some mock errors and so on and so forth. And let us see if it can fix them all without getting into the rabbit hole. Okay. Seems promising to up to here. Not bad. Let's see. Let's bring it a little bit here. First passed. Less failing. Yup. Hopefully it understand the yup. I guess so. Yeah, it's going to the controllers. Let's see. Okay, a little bit more we have now. Not bad. Up to here. Let's continue. Not bad. Okay, still failed. And now you can see that it can be inside the rabbit hole. Imagine that is a very, very simple controllers, 2-3 controls expense tracker, which is the easiest one. There is plenty of them in GitHub for reference and everything. And imagine it would be a microservice with 50 or 60 services, and it goes inside the rabbit hole. It would never ever comes out. It needs by developer to handle it and see how does it work. And the developer, if you want to use it really, the best thing is to just make a separation of concerns, make small services, and try to keep them separate and less dependent to each other. In this case, you can somehow handle it and keep it in your hand. You have to always keep the control. You have to be the boss. That's the rule. Let's see this time. Go on until all tests are green. This is acceptable if it is not even 100%, doesn't matter. This is not a little bit, it's a little bit not good. Maybe we need more, but in total it is acceptable. If a developer has something like 91, 92 would be acceptable in real projects. But if it gets completely green, let's see how much charge we have. Okay, 46. Good. We have enough time. Okay. That is the problem. Stop always. Run until all green. Okay. Drink water between the coding. That's important. Okay. Yes. Go on. And imagine the Express is one of the easiest things for backend. If you want to compare it with Rust or Spring Boot, which have more and more boilerplate, compare with Express, I guess that's why I could not use it for my project, that Emo Finder app, and I am probably going to use Junie. This is this project. I will show you just until it works. Yes, of course. I want you to rerun them. That is this project. Until it works, I will show you this one. What I used up to now, I used Junie, which is really nice, at least for Spring Boot I checked. And possibly if I can have an account, I will try to use it. This is a property management microservice and very big application that I am doing as a side project just for fun. And I'm going to share this one with you also. Yeah. Let us close this one, not to use too much RAM from the system. And go back. Of course, I want you to update. Why are you asking again and again and again? Okay. We have still 4 failed tests. See, that's really easy one. Maybe for a developer, it takes the same time to make such as this application with use of some simple sources like GitHub or something like that. That is still has many places to work AI, I guess. Let us see. Yep. I could make a dot cursor AI here in the root that it picks up everything, but I wanted to keep it simple for now. If you're wondering why I didn't do that, that's just I wanted to try the real thing. Even if all the tests not passed, doesn't matter. We just saw in real world that how does it work. I just wanted to have the same, just share my experience with you, and you be there with me, and we see together how does it work. I want this series to be so live and everything be completely real, even the failings. Yeah. Okay, still working. Still working. Some water. This shows that writing a very good and effective and solid test is sometimes even more difficult than the code. Because of that, many people hate to write so many tests because the tests bring up the problems. And you see, during the writing test, writing the code, it was everything fine. And now on the testing, it's struggling and changing and changing. Yep. Don't ask. Go to end until all green. Mm-hmm. Let me see. How is the test coverage? Still the same. It's running the tests. Very nice. You see, the utils folder is also empty. We can close it even. That's also bad. I saw it sometimes. Even there are some files that never cleaned up. That means that the context is also not checked completely by AI. But for now, it is still struggling for tests. Let us see. At the end, all tests are green. Let's see. Okay. For controllers, we have coverage. Make more. Okay, checking the controllers. Searching the code base, catches everything. But here it never showed the results exactly. What was the result? Hopefully not cheated. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Let's see. Let me bring my video here. Okay. Let us see. Still the same. Maybe I have to open it again. Okay. It's still 9161. Okay, let me run test myself. I am not sure if it is npm test. Okay, pass. Okay. Okay, everything passed. Now I believe it. And let us still coverage is not 100% for controllers. Because you see it is still 9161. It could be better. Your Express code is not 100%, but the control folder as a whole is not, because OS controller is not fully covered. The coverage report shows lines like 61 are not covered. This line, register, login, blah, blah, blah. What to do? Would you like me? Yeah. Yep. Let's do it. Let's make it for us. Let's make it. Was not bad. Maybe you think the same. I guess it was good. It was not perfect, but it was good. Let me push it for you guys and girls if you want to have the code in my GitHub repo. I will do it every Saturday or Sunday at weekends, or any day in the week that I have time, and maybe we can go on further with and check different AIs and different tools, maybe different technologies, different programming languages, and see what's the result of actual work of AI, this vibe coding things. If it give me 100% code test coverage also, it would be really nice, I guess. Let's see. Even for now, it's really good. 93%. It's acceptable. Okay, fail. It's making 36. We have enough. 47 tests is pretty good for such as this service. If all pass. Yep. Writing test is more difficult than the code by itself, I guess, especially for AI. Let's see. Let's get better. 95. That's really acceptable. Yeah, there's 6. This folder is also the same as all, and for this folder is 100%. 95, 100, 100, 100 is pretty fine. You see here also the colors are not red anymore, yellow anymore, and I guess it is pretty good. 97 even. 97, very, very nice. Let me see. Go until all green. Let's see. Very, very nice. It's working. Now you see the project is getting a little bit bigger, and it's let me delete this one. We don't need that. It's getting a little bit bigger, and it has a problem now. It's not easy for AI to write tests. 97, not bad. If the test passed, then it's pretty good. At least for Node.js. Okay. Smoking. We could use test containers also, but for now I want to keep it simple. Good. Everything is fine. Let's see again the coverage. 96. Very nice. It's almost 100. I can consider it somehow as 100 even. Let's see if it is passed or not. It's still struggling with coverage. We made the AI obsessed with the coverage now. And you see, it's checking the coverage instead of checking the test if it is failing or passing now. Okay. Bring some error handling with different syntax using a callback function here. Okay, it's bringing back everything. I don't know why. I have no idea what it did, but let's see. I want to completely do the vibe coding, just check the results and ask it to do it. Controls catch block for refresh only trigger the outside the inner. However, if okay. Yup. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's going on. Check the coverage again. Not bad. Still on 96. It's good. Let's see. If it make all the tests green, then I will respect it. Let's see. Okay, it's telling that all the tests are green, but we never believe the AI, obviously. Then what we do is we run it ourselves. And if it passed, I will make a commit and close the video for now. It's very, very nice. We have 47 test suites. Simple but pretty good. Simple but pretty good backend service. And actually, it's not bad. You see, it's checking, bring the refresh token, bring everything that we need. And the type safety is really nice. Also, I can see the syntax is also pretty good, and expert bring the coverage for us for tests, bring the middleware, and the foldering is also nice. And I hope you, girls and boys, this time first girls and boys, like the video.